What's up, guys? It's Ray J back with another video. Just know that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. Anyways, the market's getting an emergency sell-off because we have some big news that's been coming out. There's been a lot of conflicts in the Middle East, and there are risks of a big war that's starting to brew. This is very, very serious and very scary. So I want to give you guys a very, very quick update on this. Just know the jobs numbers came out. The numbers were quite decent, and then the manufacturing numbers were also decent as well. The PMI was a little bit weak, but everything else was decent. So the data is not really what's affecting this market as much. I believe there's a lot that's going on right now. So what's happening is there's been a lot of conflicts in the Middle East for the last couple of months. And I'm not saying this started from one side or the other. I'm not taking any sides on this channel. I want to stay away from politics and taking any sides. I just want to be very unbiased. And I just want to say that tensions are very high, and now Israel is saying, so as a result of all the things that happened in the past, right? I'm not saying it's starting with this. I'm just saying that this has been going on for a while. This has led to Israel saying that they're going to be invading Lebanon. And now Iran is saying that they're preparing a ballistic attack on Israel. So it's just, one person after another, one group going after it. It's just absolute madness. Now the U.S. is positioning itself to once again deter an attack. So it's just absolutely insane, guys. It's a domino effect. It starts off with a few countries, then more and more and more countries get involved, and the war news is becoming a lot more serious. So if this escalates into a big war, this could cause oil to start going up. If gas prices and oil start going up, if that were to happen hypothetically, that's going to cause possibly some upwards momentum for inflation. There's a risk of that as well. So I want everyone to be very mindful of this, be very, very careful, and just know that right now the situation is very intense and the market's selling off as a result of this. So SPY has support at 567.5. If that fails us, we're looking for a bigger dump all the way down towards potentially all the way down to about 565, even the low 560s. So there's a risk of this rejection. We also have a head and shoulders on SPY. So I'm calling out SPY because this is dragging Tesla down as well. Tesla is losing its 20 EMA. We're seeing an emergency sell-off. So for Tesla, because we've lost 256, if we don't reclaim it, we're at risk of dipping a little bit lower for the day. We could be continuing all the way down towards 250, then 246 or below. SPY, and by the way, about SPY, if we lose those supports, this is also affecting Tesla. Same thing with the QQQ and the others. So just want to give you guys an update on this. For Nvda, if we don't hold 119, we're looking for 116.9 as our target. That's going to be our 200 EMA or even below that. The QQQ we're dumping, we're looking at 480 as support. If that does not hold, we're looking for this gap fill all the way down to 475. There's 478 and 475 as support. Aapl is dumping really hard right now. We have 225 as support. If that does not hold, we have a gap to fill down to 222. We have the IWM at 216. If that fails us, we're looking for 214, then eventually 212. So be careful, guys. Amazon's rejecting. We're losing 185. We're looking for 182.7 as our target. Meta's rejecting. If we don't hold above 575, we're looking for 568 as our target or below. Microsoft is dumping. We're losing 424 is support. We're looking for 420 is our next one. If that does not hold, we have an imbalance to fill down here towards 414. Google's also dumping. The whole market is collapsing right now, guys. We have some negative news that's dragging us down. So I just want to give you guys a heads up about this. SPY supports at the 50 EMA. It's just barely holding on. Tesla's barely holding 252. And don't forget, we have 250 as the next support below that. So we'll see how it goes. The market's looking bearish. The situation in the Middle East is very, very intense right now. Once again, I'm not saying anyone started this. I'm just saying that, the conflicts, they go back for centuries, if not thousands of years. And, one country getting involved with another has led to so many more countries like Iran, the US, Lebanon, all these countries are just getting involved, and even more are probably going to continue. So I really hope that we have peace and this does not happen, but it looks like it's almost inevitable at this point, and the market is dumping as a result. So I want to give you guys a heads up about this. Please be very, very careful with your trades and just know that that's what's affecting us. As far as Tesla goes, we have deliveries coming out as well. So that's going to be another big catalyst for Tesla. So it's not like it's the end of the world for Tesla. We'll see what happens with that. But for now, please be very, very careful as the market is dipping and there's a lot of fear emerging right now. All right. Thank you for listening. Have a great day and peace out.